today's video we are going to see our 12 number times poem. Name is the Count Your Garden. Student, what is mean by count your garden? Count your garden means we now stand up and go in our garden and start to count our gardens. What flowers are there? How many flowers are there? Trees are there? No, student. Count your garden means that have the other meanings. Count your lives. Student, count our lives. We should count our lives with the good things, good events, not that bad events that do us trouble. Okay, now see student, the poet also want to tell us in our life there are many good things and we should count that good things, because when we count that good events, good things, that time automatically positive energy create and we move toward the success. And student, when we think about that, what do you say, that is a bad events, bad incident, bad thing, that time automatically negative energy create in our body and we may be what do you say, failure in our lives. That's why the poet tells us with the help of this rhyme we should count only good things, not that bad things. Student, now see student, I am going to say this poem. You have to also learn this poem. This poem is very simple but very nice. Okay, now see student, count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours, don't remember clouds at all. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. Now see student, in first you read that you see the poem. What we will see, there are the 4 children, they looks very happy. Outside there are the flowers, that stars. You will see student that flowers. When we see morning we woke up and we saw some flowers of roses. That time we feel very happy, pleasant. Okay, that time, that star, that flowers, that are the good things, that are the happy things, and we should count such as the things. Okay, for first line tell us, count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Now student, the poet want to tell us, count your garden. Count your garden means we have to count our lives. Okay, only that flowers means we didn't count that flowers. We have to count that good events that happens in our life, and not never by the leaves that fall means we should not count that bad incident, bad events that already happened in our life. Okay, when we remember such as the bad events, bad incident, that time we feel very sad. And that's why we should not remember, we should not count which things that is the good in our life, that you have to count. Okay, now see student, second line is tell us, count your days by golden hours, don't remember clouds at all. Now see student, when we want to count our day, we must be count our days with the golden hours. Means in that hours we feel very happy, good things happen. We should only count. Today I got one prize in sport competition, in handwriting competition. On that prize distribution, that program was very nice, and you should that time you should count this time of this sport competition prize distribution in our means we can call it is an golden hours. Okay, student, if anyone that hours, that is clouds means we can call it is the there are many bad things that is happening this hours, we should not count. We should not clouds are that brings what you say, cloudy means when the clouds come, that time atmosphere become very tired. Okay, that's why it is called the clouds. We don't remember which things that is happen in our life that give us trouble, bad things that we should not count. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. Now see student, if we want to count the nights, but if you want to count our nights, we should count with the help of stars, not shadows, because shadow is a symbol of darkness. Yes, the student, and that star is a symbol of the day, means brightness. Yes, bright. Okay, that's why we should, if we want to count our nights, we should count our nights with the help of by the stars, not shadows. Okay, if we want count our life, okay, life with the help of means by smiles, which things are give us the happy, make us happy, give us what to say, happiness. That things we should count, not tears. Which things we give that give us trouble, that make us unhappy, that we should not count. Okay, and with joy and every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. Now see student, that birthday is a happy day in your lives every year that comes, but we didn't say like that. Now my 10th birthday is coming. You should count this your age with by friends. How many friends? Now last year 10, I have 10 friends. Okay, I had 10 friends. Now I have 12 friends. Means we should count our age with the by the friends, not years. Understood student? In this poem, the poem tells us we should count the good things. Which are the good things that described in this poem? Flowers, golden hours, stars, smiles and friends. Okay, means the poet tells us we should count our garden, we should count our life with the help of flowers like them. For example, golden hours, stars, smiles as well as friends. The poet wants to tell us in this poem, with the help of this poem, we should not count the bad things. For example, given that leaves, that fall leaves, that not what to say, again come on that plants. Okay, that one time that yellow leaves fall down, that day. Okay, that's why the clouds, that is also symbol of unhappy. Okay, shadows, symbol of darkness. Tears, when we feel sad, that time we cry. Okay, it is also sad things. Okay, bad or sad things we can call it. And years also student, if we one that is that is lost, means 10 years suppose you are, and that is previous that all you have lived already, that is not come again. That's why we should not count our year. We should count we must be count our age with our friends. Means we have to join the friends. Okay, understood today in this poem, the poet tells us many good things that we should count and be happy, be positive in our lives. Okay, so now see again I say this poem, and you should you also have to learn this poem. Okay, count your garden by the flowers, never by the leaves that fall. Count your days by golden hours, don't remember clouds at all. Count the nights by stars, not shadows. Count your life by smiles, not tears. And with the joy on every birthday, count your age by friends, not years. Now see students, which rhyming words came? Let's see. Okay. Fall, all. Flowers, hours. Shadows, tears. Then over. Okay. In this page we have seen about the count your garden. Which things we should count and which things we should not count. We should avoid in our lives. How how to be positive and how to success. That is the that moral told us with the help of this poem. Okay, understood student? I hope you understood.